What if I tell you that AI converted this picture into this? Well, today I will be going to show you how you can do it with your own pictures using Midjourney Discord bot. But before starting, don't forget to like the video and make sure to
whatever.
Alright, let's start. Come to their official website from the description, then click on the Join Beta and log in with your Discord account. After that, join their server. After joining their server, you will see something like this. Now go to any of the nudes channel, and you can see people are creating arts. But as you know, we want to create arts from our own picture and don't want to post our pictures in public, then you will have to invite the bot to any personal server. To invite the bot, simply click on the Midjourney bot, then click on Add to Server. Now select your server where you want to invite, then click on Continue. Go to the server and check if the bot is invited or not. Now, to start creating your art from your picture, first, you will have to upload your picture to Discord. I will use this picture as an example. Once your picture is uploaded, click on it. After that, right-click, then copy the link of the picture. If you are on Android, then you will have to open this picture in browser, then copy the link. After that, start typing its command, which is /imagine, in the prompt, paste your picture link, and start writing your prompts like what you want to do with this picture. And also let me tell you that I'm not pro in prompts, so I will recommend you to watch some other tutorials to get the perfect prompts, or you can ask ChatGPT to give some prompts. For this basic tutorial, I will write handsome boy art, then I want it to be like cyberpunk, then Ultra HD and 4K. To use their V4 version, simply type 2 dashes, then press space, then type V, and again press space, and write 4. After that, simply press enter and it will start generating the art. If you are using reference to image like using your picture, then it can take some time at starting, and sometime it can stuck too, so wait until it fully generate your art. As you can see, it started generating the art, but it is not finished yet, so wait until it finish it. As you can see, it generated the art, and I think it is perfect. You can also upscale any of them, and if you want more variation of the specific art, then you can also do that. If you like the art and want to upscale it, then select your art number and simply click on U1, U2, according to your art number. As I like the art number 3, so I will select that. Now wait for some time until it upscale your image. Upscaling may take some time, depends on your image. Once your image is upscaled, now you can easily download it, and also you can make more variation by clicking on the V embed button and it will start creating other variations of the same art. Now select any of the art which you like and simply download it. You can generate different types of arts using different prompts, as here, I will say, sitting in a rainy weather with a cup of tea. And you can see what I got. Okay guys, so it was just a basic tutorial. If you want to watch more videos about Discord, then click on the right playlist. If you want to make a bot without coding, then click on the left video. Peace out.